Today I will walk you through the process of designing this nature-inspired graphic right here in Canva. We will start with a messy forest background to set the mood. I am cropping the image to ensure the fog and trees create a perfect focal point for our design. Next, I am building the main nature title using individual letter frames. This allows us to blend the text seamlessly with the landscape for a high-end look. Inside each letter, I am placing the same image and adjusting the size so everything blends perfectly. To give it a professional touch, I am adding a barcode element at the bottom. Now for the typography, for the quiet healed what noise could not, I am using the Bernier font. And for the smaller text at the top, the elegant Lancelot font is the perfect choice. To finish it off, I am adding some subtle star elements and fine tuning the spacing. It's all about creating a balanced and impact driven layout. Okay, always double check your work. I noticed a small typo in noise here, and we are done. Our professional aesthetic poster ready to share. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and follow for more.